Hi everyone, Chris Hale here from Profit Squirrel, coming to you again with another Profit Squirrel video. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing really fantastically well. How's your match betting going? Let me know in the comments below how you're getting on. I hope you're seeing some good profits. In this video, what I wanted to do was give you a little tip that if you're not already doing it, is a really easy, nice way to boost your profits. And that tip is get the Bookmaker and exchange apps for your mobile device. Pretty much all of the major bookmakers have apps, and you can download them either from the Android store. You can see I've got them all up here on the store. I just searched for betting, or just search for the bookmaker that you want. And you can also find them all. I've actually just got the Betfair one up here on the iTunes store, but any of the other major bookmakers you can search for on the appropriate store for your device, and you will find their app. So the reason you should download these apps is because the bookmakers really want people to do it at the moment, and they want people to do it so that the idea is that people will open up something on the go and just have a bet because you have your phone with you pretty much all of the time. And that's great news for you as a match bettor, because what it means is that people with the apps are getting sent offers that the desktop people are not necessarily getting. So we've been hearing here at Profit Squirrel from our members that people are getting offers pinging through to their apps at random times, and sometimes they're getting special ones for horse racing at the weekend or different events that we're actually not seeing anywhere else. So if you don't have the apps of the big bookmakers that you're using, then you're probably missing out on offers. So what I would say is get the apps, get the exchange apps, and then of course you can use the Profit Squirrel tools if you need to make any sort of calculations, calculate your lay stake, any accumulators, anything like that. You can use the Profit Squirrel tools for and make the most of these offers. And of course, with the training that you already have under your belt with match betting, you'll know exactly what you need to do. And if you don't, hit us up in the forum or Profit Squirrel Facebook group and ask us how to complete an offer profitably, and someone will be able to let you know. So another cool thing about these apps is by using them, it makes you look even more like a normal punter, which is great for us as match bettors. The more you can look like a normal punter, the better, and you'll be able to enjoy those free bets, spins, and other things, price boosts that come through to the apps. It's also pretty nice because it starts to make it easier to do match betting on the go, which is something that was maybe a little bit trickier before because most of the match betting platforms work better on desktop. So this is, I think, what we're starting to see is a bit of a transition, and you'll be able to like place a free bet that you get when you're just waiting for a bus or on the train or wherever. Another cool feature on the apps that people are liking is the automatic alerts. You can set alerts for when things happen. So for example, if you're doing a 2-up offer and the team goes 2 goals ahead, you might want to cash out that offer. And what the apps, most of them will actually do is they'll let you know that your team has gone 2-up, or that the bet's being cashed out or whatever. So they'll actually keep tabs on what's going on for you. It will just ping up on your phone screen and you won't actually have to go in and manually check. So that's really nice, actually will save you quite a bit of time. I've used a lot of these apps myself, and I would say that most of the big names, their apps are pretty decent. Some of the apps are terrible. You'll figure that out kind of as you go along. I think some of the more traditional bookmaker names like your William Hills, etc., those apps tend to be the worst reviewed, I think because they've never really focused on it before. But apps like Sky Bet and the Betfair app, they're super easy to use. So that is my tip of the day. Go ahead, download some apps for yourself, try them out, and make sure that you're making money on the go, getting these exclusive in-app offers. They're free to download, and who doesn't like extra free money? I hope this has been a useful video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're interested in making money online, or if you're into match betting. You're not going to want to miss the latest content coming out to you from Profit Squirrel. Please hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching as always. I'll see you all again very soon in another Profit Squirrel vlog. Take care everyone, and happy match betting.